The excitement of Christmas really is this weekend. That little build up just before Christmas morning and planning the Christmas Day meal is what I live for. Knowing what you're doing, preparing, getting the ham ready, what we serving with the ham, what we serving with on the Christmas table, that's what gets me excited every Christmas. And today, I'm going to kind of show you what proteins you can put on the table. Some nice protein power ideas. So I'm starting with a nice little dish to kind of serve up to start things off. And these Ocean Delight shrimp. Oh my goodness. So this is extra jumbo shrimp. Lovely guys. It comes guys peeled, deveined, just with the pretty little tail on. And this is kind of ready to go. All I did, salt, pepper. I did a little cayenne pepper just for a little kick, chopped up some tomatoes, and I'm going to be doing what I'm simply calling a garlic parmesan roasted broiled shrimp. I'm going to just be pulling together a very, very simple type of vinaigrette. So I have some oil, and I'm going to kind of get some garlic going. So I have this tool that I use for my garlic. It's called a garlic press. Look for one, invest in one. You will never have to chop garlic in your life. And all I do is squeeze, smelling that garlic. That's in there. Going well with garlic is rosemary. I love these earthy, strong flavors of rosemary. So good. Get some rosemary in there. And then I just have some Parmesan cheese. So you recognize everything going into my oil. And all I'm doing is then kind of just combining and whisking everything together. And then all you do is simply pour all this goodness all over the shrimp. The things that get me excited. So all I want to do is kind of make sure everything is coated. Yeah. And this goes in the oven, guys, and bakes for no more than about, I would say, 9 to 12 minutes thereabout, just until everything combines and the shrimp is perfectly cooked in the oven.
Starting with the Annunciation, Castilian Warapo and the Aquinalu. Let me go from Sangre Grande all the way to Seagrass, Paragin night and day. I'm looking for good players and chorus.
So we're just about ready, guys. Say about 10 minutes in here. And you see how it's bubbling, sizzling. Big, bold flavors. Big, bold flavors. Just to get things started. This would be a lovely addition to your Christmas table. And not everybody, as I said, into the ham, lamb, and jam. I keep saying it every Christmas season. Some people not into the meat. And this is a nice addition to your Christmas table. And I can't wait to serve this up to my very, very, very special guest. Swimming in this wonderful flavored garlic and parmesan, the parmesan cheese and the oil, everything just came together so nicely. This is going to be full of big, bold flavors. And I don't know about you, but I, this year, have the privilege of spending Christmas Day with none other than our queen of soca. Guys, the Queen of Bacchanal, Destra Garcia, is here. Destra Garcia!
It's Christmas! Hey! It's food boy, hey! Easy. Easy. We cooking, we eating, hey!
So glad to see you.
Nice to see you. You know how long?
Merry Christmas.
You know how long Merry Christmas.
Merry
You know how long I taste your hand, boy?
Oh, you're tasting my hand today, you're tasting my hand.
Oh,
have a seat, have a
of
seat.
course,
But just now,
course.
just, oh, just wait now.
What?
No, I tell them about this soft chair thing.
I don't like.
I tell them about this
I
soft
tell
chair.
them already.
I tell them
I
about.
tell them
I
already.
tell them about. I tell them about the soft chair thing. I said,
They like Bacchanal.
I said, Destra
But they
coming
like-
today.
I don't like them
Come on,
soft
soft
chair.
chair.
I want my woodman. Give me my woodman and my water.
Wood, water, and shrimp.
How come you cooking shrimp on this Christmas?
So that's what I say. So not everybody like ham, lamb,
No, but
and
people don't
jam.
understand that.
No,
You know?
but I have gotten to appreciate that. Different people sometimes, dietary.
That's how it is in my house too.
Right.
Zaya is like, she's a pescatarian like her dad.
She is.
And I am the meat mouth.
So you literally
Yeah,
have
but
to
that's
come up with
alright.
ideas
Yeah,
to.
all the time,
No,
all the time.
so this is a good one for you to try for them.
Yeah.
So try it
Okay,
and tell
try it
me.
now?
Try it. Yeah.
Serious?
No.
As I reach, I can
As you
eat
reach,
some.
as you reach,
Listen,
as you
I
reach,
like the shirt.
as you reach. I don't stick.
Nice. It smells good.
Yeah.
Looks like it has good flavor. I don't know. Could eat it too?
Yeah, man, you could use
Everything edible, right?
finger food kind of thing. And don't try to be over proper, you know.
No, I have to because,
Yeah.
I don't want people to say
Yeah.
it's bad. I would have done get in already. What is it?
It's good.
Now come on.
It's good.
It is
Rosemary, garlic.
yes, the tomato
And
is
the
very
tomato,
pronounced in
very
here.
good.
Oh my God. Your culinary skills.
I don't know where it come from,
Like your woman show.
On the Destra the house, she looking like I'm Santa and
And who am I?
I don't know.
Santa's friend.
Yeah. We coming back. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys. I'm having Christmas and spending Christmas with Destra Garcia.